In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use dispersion effect in Canva. By the end, you'll have a photo in your Canva design with the dispersion effect applied and saved as a PNG or JPG, ready to share or use in other projects. First, open your design in Canva. If you already have a project started, click to open it so you can work directly on the canvas. Next, upload your image using Uploads. On the left sidebar, click Uploads. Then click Upload Files and select the photo from your computer. You can also drag a file from your desktop straight into the Uploads panel, if that's quicker. Drag the image onto the canvas. Click and hold the uploaded image, move it over your design, and release to place it. It will appear on the canvas where you drop it. Click the image. You should see a blue outline and the top toolbar appear, while confirming it's selected. Click Edit Image on the top toolbar. This opens Canva's image editing tools on the left, including effects you can apply to the selected photo. Search for dispersion in the Effects panel. In the Effects section, use the search bar and type Dispersion. This filters the list so you can quickly find the dispersion effect option. Select the dispersion effect. Click it once. Canva will process the image and you'll see the dispersion effect preview on your canvas. This creates a scattered, particle-like breakup from part of the image. Adjust the direction and intensity if available. Use the direction control to change the angle the particles spread toward, and move the intensity slider to set how strong or subtle the dispersion looks. A lower intensity keeps more of the original image intact. A higher intensity increases the breakup. Take a moment to dial these in so the effect looks intentional and clean. If something looks off, don't worry. You're still adjusting before finalizing. Click Apply. This locks in your dispersion settings on the image. If you need to revisit settings later, you can select the image again and reopen Edit Image, but applying now ensures the preview matches what you'll export. Preview the effect. Look over the canvas to confirm the direction and intensity are correct, and that important parts of the subject aren't broken up more than you intended. Zoom in briefly if you need to check edges in detail, then zoom back out when you're satisfied. Click Share arrow Download. Go to the top right of Canva, click Share, and then choose Download to open the export options. Choose PNG or JPG. A PNG is a good choice for higher quality and crisper edges, while JPG offers a smaller file size. Pick the format that suits your use case. Click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer with the dispersion effect exactly as you saw it on the canvas.